Before we create queries, we want to add a couple of more records in the book table. So we click on book entry form and starting to add, let's make this ribbon disappear to add some other titles. For example, we want to add cats are so good. And of course there's going to be a cat who wrote that. And the publication date, let's make it April 06. And then we will create another record. Let's see, this is horses are so brave. And the author would be a horse. Publication date would be, let's see, 09 March 06. Okay, that will be good. So we add 2 more records, and now we can close this book entry form and go to our create query design. Now we will add this book to the design window of the query, because our query will be based on the book table. If we bring this up a little, so press down your mouse and then drag it, what we see here is a nice query by example interface. For example, we can create a simple query that returns all the titles in our book. So if we run it, we run this query, we get a list of titles that are in our database. And now we can go back to I need the ribbon to our design view. Say we want to create some other queries we could create. Let's delete this one. So you first make your mouse look like a upside down arrow, and then you click, you select a column. So we do that, and then hit delete key, we removed that. A second query we could actually try is to use this asterisk key. Drop it, and what you see here is book.star. And this book.star represents all the elements, all the fields here. So if we run this query, what we got is all the records in this database. Of course, we don't want people to be able to query our database like that. We want to give it some criteria. So let's again remove this, try something else. And we'll add barcode, this case, and title, author, and all the other elements. Publication date and on loan. To our query by example database interface. And we see this time we want to get all the books that is on loan. So criteria equals yes. And this will give us all the books that are on loan. So we'll save this query, Control S, as on loan books. So this is our first query, and then we will create a couple more queries in the next video clip.